Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I just wanted to open this bicycle lock by Bikerama. It's a 60-inch, 152 centimeters pin tumbler bicycle lock. 2 brass round keys included. Heavy duty, waterproof, fast release holder. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to use the bottom of the keyway with this 40 thou or 30 thou Z-bar, and then I'm going to use my long reach here by Revlon. Just like that. Ka-cha! Slayed! Like, subscribe, share, comment. Until next time, catch you later, guys. Thank you so much.